Hello, this is James from illogics.com, and what I have here is the Clarion Mind, which stands for Mobile Internet Navigation Device. The operating system it comes with is a Linux-based, looks like Moblin. The hardware itself is a Z500 Intel Atom processor, 512 mega RAM, and a 4 gig solid state hard drive. Quick rundown. Here's your external GPS antenna, your micro SD card slot, power button, stylus. Okay, you have your battery pack, speaker, and right here you have your USB 2.0 host port, mini USB to connect with your PC. You have a headphone jack, power interface. The kit itself that it comes with has a car mount display, so it has a section where you can actually hook it up in your car. It comes with a 12 volt adapter as well. Let me real quick. I purchased this device just to demonstrate that you could load XP on it. I know there was a lot of people that were apprehensive. Currently these are going for anywhere from 200 to 250 US, and it's a rather interesting device given that the next closest thing to it is around $400 to be able to do the same thing. So I figured I would demonstrate that you could actually run XP on it. I've experimented with a couple of the other versions of XP, but I've had more success with just the full XP install. It leaves you with about a gig of hard drive space left over. But you have a micro SD card slot that you can use. I'll be able to post more once I have a different micro SD card to use in it. Okay, as you can see, I've enabled the on-screen keyboard in XP. The resolution it tries to set to is 1024 by 768, so I haven't quite figured that out yet. As you can see, you'll get a black line around the top screen, and then most of your menus will be shifted, almost like the screen itself is shifted. Let me see if I can zoom in a little better. Okay, see if that helps. As you can see, it wants me to resize the screen. I'll just leave it at that. Okay, a couple of demonstrations. Let's try the media player. Okay.
Is unacceptable. Gasms. Oh, really? And how are we supposed to know when we're done?
Don't pout.
Not pouting.
Yes, you are. Your bottom lip is sticking out.
It's swollen.
As you can see, it plays video rather nicely, especially with the video driver loaded for it.
Sweetheart, do you know what the best part of tonight was?
You or me?
Let me close this out. Let's go through. You can browse the network. I did resolve the Wi-Fi. It uses a SD8686 Marvel chipset, so any driver based for that will work. Let's go through Open the web browser. I installed Flash Player 10 on it. Now the device itself seems to come with in its OS there is a Flash player that works rather well. I just decided that I wanted to see if XP would work. Okay, as you can see, it's Google. Let's go to a video. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Okay, I want to play. As you can see, that works rather well. Let's try another one.
Yes, it's raining, you said, Darcy. Weather watch your daughter now. Right to the shop now. It's the breakfast board there,
Okay. Now, if we go to pull up the web browser again, you have full menus, just like you would standard XP. I installed the touchscreen interface, which allows me to, if I hold and right-click, I have my properties menu, or double tap to. Okay, let's go to where's that? One of the other buttons I managed to get working is the side buttons, which will maximize the screen and bring up the keyboard. Minimize the keyboard. Let's see. Let's minimize this. Let's go to favorites. This is the Logic's website. And I made up a forum location just for this device. And this is where I posted my dissection pics. I had to dissect the device to determine exactly what hardware it had, so I knew which drivers to look up. As you can see, this is a full screen view. But anyway, this is James from illogics.com. If you have any questions or anything of that nature, please visit the website. Post a topic or a query, and we'll sure like to hear from you. Anyway, this is the Clarion Mind running Windows XP. Thank you.